Welcome back to Living 808. For women who are looking to get healthy in the new year, we have the perfect opportunity for you. It is the 47th annual Hawaii Pacific Health Women's 10K and 5K Fun Run. It's coming up with the Women's Bone and Joint Clinic at Kapiolani Medical Center for Women and Children. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, so happy to have you because this event, it sounds so fun. So tell us all about it. What should we know about the Fun Run?
Yep, so it is on Sunday, January 26th. It's a 10K and a 5K run, as well as you can walk it or jog it, whatever you feel comfortable doing. So it's great for all people and all ages. Registration is open now, and you can go to the hphwomen's10k.org website to get more information.
I love this. I feel like it's so perfect too for the beginning of the new year.
Definitely.
I feel like it's a goal that everyone can work towards to be able to train and be ready for this 5K or 10K, whatever folks decide to do.
Yeah.
But let's talk more about what you do because you work at the Women's Bone and Joint Clinic at Kapiolani Medical Center. Can you share a bit about that?
Sure. So we treat all patients with anywhere from acute fractures, or also known as broken bones, to muscle strain, to joint issues, to help take care of our women in and to keep them healthy. So my partner, Dr. Maria Opanova, she subspecializes in hip and knee replacement surgeries, and I, as an orthopedic oncologist, I deal with bone tumors as well as soft tissue tumors, both the cancerous as well as the non-cancerous type. And we're excited to be able to provide these services to the women in our community.
And with that said, since you do have such expertise working with women to protect their joints, for those that are preparing for the either 10K or the 5K, do you have any tips or maybe exercises that folks can do to prepare?
So I think it's helpful to start with something that you enjoy. So my understanding is that you had have a dancing history. So I think dancing is a great way to get in some exercise, as well as just even starting to walk, whether it's walking around your block, walking around at work. That's an easy exercise to do, and we do it all the time without even thinking about it. We live on an island, so swimming is a great opportunity to exercise, get that cardio activity going. And for people who are having joint issues, hip and knee pain, it's a great way to get in that exercise without putting too much stress on the joints.
Okay, good tips. And speaking of putting too much stress, I think a lot of people, if they think about doing a big run, they might be afraid of injuries. So do you have any injury prevention tips for us?
Sure. So stretching, I think, is really important. I think a lot of focus oftentimes is on strengthening or doing something for as long as you can. But I think stretching is a really important aspect to exercising to help keep us going and to be able to do something similar as, say, the following day after the 10K and 5K run. So I think stretching is really important. Staying hydrated and drinking lots of water is also really important to be able to nourish your body to be able to go that extra mile.
Definitely. And then once people do go that extra mile, again, I think this is really great motivation for the new year, people to work towards the run. But what about when the run is after the 10K and the 5K? How can people maintain those fitness goals, not just through the next couple of months or even year, but through their life?
Sure. So I think setting realistic goals is really important, because if you're someone who doesn't really exercise, and you say, I'm going to exercise 7 days a week for the rest of my life, that's a lofty goal. And so I think if we're unable to achieve it, then it makes us less likely to stick with these types of activities. So I think setting realistic goals are important. Again, we talked about doing something that you enjoy and doing something that's really readily accessible to you. So. For me, with the busy work schedule, unpredictable work schedule, doing something at home is really helpful. So I like to use the exercise bike, or even doing online classes can be really helpful, because you can do it on your own time. You can do it for as long or as short as you want. And you can do it, say, before or after putting your kids to bed, or first thing in the morning when you wake up before getting ready for work. So I think doing something that's easily accessible is also helpful in keeping you on your pathway to living a healthier life.
Definitely. And those are great tips too for getting us to that. I love it. And I also love that the Fun Run is going to be coming up. So what are the details? How can people sign up? And when exactly is it happening?
Right. So again, it's Sunday, January 26th. It's a 10K and a 5K run again. Registration is now open, and the website that you can go to for more information is the hphwomens10k.org website.
Perfect. And we'll have a link to your website on our website at kh2n2.com. But it is going to be such a fun time. Again, it is the 47th annual Hawaii Pacific Health Women's 10K and 5K Fun Run. You're not going to want to miss it. We'll have all the details online. I will see you out there. I'm excited. And you'll see me stretching beforehand.
Okay,
It'll
good.
be a good time.
I'll be